What's up, man?
So, is this full body or just
Like a casting couch.
My name's Jonathan Petting.
The new look.
hang on?
Can I go for a piss first? Or a
Porsche 911. Was it a 96? What was it?
fuck it, have the first one.
2023, what an incredible year. Welcome back to our channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today's video is looking back over the last year and all of our team going through what their favorite installs are, what the car was and why it was their favorite as well. So enjoy today's videos, guys. Let's go.
What's up, man? Yeah, working all right? Testing, 1, 2, 3. Cool. Hi guys, this is Carl. So, I've been asked to have a think about what my favourite install is. No? Hi guys, name's Carl. So my favourite install this year I think has to be the VW Caddy. And honestly I think the main reason why I like it is because I didn't have to do that install. It was really nice to see the rest of the team sort of pulling it out of and cracking on with it, and I don't know what the fuck I'm saying, I've confused myself already. Hi guys, Carl here. Hi guys, Carl here. So my favourite install of 2023 I think has got to be the purple VW Caddy. The amount of work that was done by the guys in the workshop was unreal. The finish was second to none, and just seeing it being built in the corner of the workshop by all the other guys really did touch me to see how these guys are all working together and really getting on with the jobs. I think the main reason why I really like this one is because I didn't have to touch this one, we covered in any filler dust at all. And there was a lot, like there was a massive amount of filler work that happened on this, but top notch.
Oh my God, it's the first time I've been on camera. Hang on, got chocolate nuts in my mouth now. You would do it when I had a nutty one. Right. Hi, I'm Chrissy, my favourite install of 2023. Hi, I'm Chrissy. My favourite... Oh, they're fucking already. Hi, I'm Chrissy. My favourite install of 2023 was a BMW 4 Series. The reason being, it was my husband's car. He had a bass system in his car, no harm cardum. So we gave him some packages, we settled up some packages for him to see what he would like to do. So he thought to start with we'd just do a front end where he had the tweeters and front speakers because he didn't have them before. He had that done, I bought that in for the day, had that done, and I thought, yeah, he's gonna want more. So I took it home, he loved it, but said, yep, I want more. So we decided to bring it back. We had the car for a few more days, and we added, obviously, we had the front speakers, we added some rear speakers, 2 subs under the seats, some soundproofing, and an amplifier. He come in, listened to the sound, and was amazed by it. It was so much better than it ever was before. To the point we took it to our music producer friend in London, and he had listened to it, and he was giving us all the technical talk about the sound and that quality, and he said it sounded better than his studio. So yeah, you know, that's a testament to itself of what we do here. Yeah, it was absolutely amazing. I mean, it's to the point now where you sit in the car and talk, and now we don't. The music goes up, and we just listen to the quality of the music, and some of the songs you can just hear how crystal clear they are, and it's amazing. So yeah, the BMW 4 Series is my favourite of this 2023.
Testing, mic. Yeah. So, is this full body or just?
Full, but I'm not full.
Not full body. Ah, okay, good. So my name is Jai. My favorite install for 2023 is the Focus RS. I like how they install the tweeters in front. So they install it on the A-pillar and on the door, and then it merged together. So I think it's very unique. It's something you don't see every day. So that's my favorite Focus RS.
Freaking hell. It's like a casting couch. What are we even talking about here, by the way?
I don't know what I'm saying yet. I need a minute. So we're literally starting off with like, hi, I'm Luke. Yeah, my favourite install was the Porsche 911. Was it a 9.6? What was it? Okay, I think I'm ready. Yeah, I don't know. Has it been rolling the whole time? Oh my God. Jesus Christ. I've been just rabbiting on like. What am I saying? My head is fried today for some reason. Hi. Yeah, hi, I'm Luke. Right, hi, I'm Luke. My favourite install of 2023 would probably be the black Porsche 911, the 997. I think the reasons for that would be because there's a lot of customization. Like we had the custom A-pillars, we had to have the custom sub box as well, which was in the passenger footwell. Yeah, it was tricky but fun, and at the end of it, it was well worth it.
Yeah. No, this is how I want to sit. You alright with this? Yeah. You can sit? I can sit like this? Well, my favourite install was DJ. My name's Jonathan Patrick North. Wait, is it filming? Oh man! I'm not liking this mic setup. I'm JP Nelson. I'm JP. I gave 3 examples of like jobs that I enjoyed. Me, Jonathan Patrick Nelson, in 2024, the 1st of January. Nah. I'm JP, an installer here at Cambridge Corridor. And I think, to be honest, my favourite install. Sorry. I think, to be honest, one of my favourite installs was the event door quite recently. Custom A-pillars and sub-box work and things like that. Whole new run of wires and everything. But it was just being able to build those A-pillars and sort them and make them beautiful was really satisfying. The R8 was a very good job. I did enjoy that a lot. It was a very satisfying job. However, the job that I really liked and really loved was probably the 911 right at the beginning of the year, green 911. It's the one where I actually took a video and a picture and sent it home to my dad and said, check this out. It's quite a small install, but just pretty freaking neat.
Hi, I'm Ebin. My favorite build was BMW M2 because when we listen to the music in that car, it feels like I'm in a sound studio. It's too good. The sound is very clear.
Hi, I'm Steve. My favourite car from 2023 was, I think I've got to say, the Alfa Romeo 4C. Mainly, it's just an unusual, funky little car you wouldn't expect a big system to go into. But also, we get an email from a guy from Washington DC, all the way from America. Someone just pops a note across, hi, can you send my car over? I want some stereo sorting out. And it came straight away from America, which just doesn't happen. I've been in the industry for years and years and years, and I've never heard of someone shipping a car from America to the UK just to get a stereo tweaked or addition to. And yeah, it was a nice system to start with, lacking in a few little pointers, and then we just took it to bits, put a few bits and pieces back in again. The best part was the venting, trying to squeeze the venti into the back of the little boot. I mean, the boot in the back of that car was about the size of a venti, and it just looked really nice sound, great little car, fun trying to get it out of the workshop, and in the workshop in the ice with the wheels spinning, but yeah, awesome car from start to finish.
Hi, my name's Amir, and my favourite video of 2023 was definitely the collection day of the BMW M5. I think being focused on one of my favourite cars, the M5, really helps, but also being part of that video is really special. I think the whole video really shows how far we've come as a business over the past few years, but also how hard the whole team has worked in 2020.
Hey, I am Andre. My favorite install was Jaguar Mark II, because it's a very cool car and I'm a big fan of classic cars.
Hey, I am Alex. My favorite install was Audi RS6, because it was very easy to install and it's my favorite car as well.
So what an incredible year 2023 was, and we've got some absolutely incredible projects due in already for the new year. But what was my favorite one of the lot? And this might surprise you, however, it was one of the ones that actually, it wasn't the biggest system we ever did, it wasn't the biggest install, it was one of the cars, it was a Lamborghini Gallardo. If you haven't seen the video, well worth checking out after today's video. What that was, and the reason why that was probably my favorite video, is because it kind of resonated with ourselves and everyone in the team once we stripped that car down of how and what level we're at now. Because that install was done elsewhere by another company, and they were obviously proud to put that car on the road with that level of work. And if you haven't watched the video, make sure you do, because you'll understand exactly what I'm talking about. The level of work that was in that car was absolutely horrific. And it sunk in with all of us. As soon as we removed all those parts from the car, we saw that system in there. We were like, not only on that car, but any car, and the respect that we have for every car, it doesn't matter what level it is, whether it was the Up GTI project, whether it be a Ford Fiesta, or whether it be a Lamborghini Aventador that we're very commonly known for installing on, doesn't matter to us what car it is. Every single car in our workshop gets the same level of treatment. Doesn't matter the value, doesn't matter the level of system. And it was really important, it kind of just stuck with that system this year, that where people in the industry are and what they're proud to put out onto the road, and what our team are, and the level of care and the level of detail that our team go to, it just kind of hit me, really. It was just the level and exceptional level of work that our team carry out on a day-to-day basis. When I walk around the workshop, when we've got multiple projects carrying out on the 11,000 square foot site that we've now got, the space that we've got, all of the stuff that we've got inside our workshop to be able to make these systems sound so good, the space and everything, it all just pieces together. And it just really sunk in with me of the level that we are in the industry beyond so many others. And don't get me wrong, there are some absolutely fantastic installers out there. However, not that many anymore. And as you guys know, we've now had clients in 2023 internationally travel over to us, and we've got plenty more already, and we're chatting with another couple of clients that are international clients that are going to make their way over to us in 2024. So some awesome content on its way, guys. So if you haven't done so already, and I presume you have done if you stayed right to the very end of today's video, but make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, because we've got awesome content on its way next year to you. We're growing as a company, we're growing as a whole business altogether, and also that means giving back to you guys at home watching our content. We always appreciate the feedback. So hopefully you've enjoyed today's little bit of a different style of video. Thank you once again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.